Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss one more logical operator, okay, which is OR operator. Okay, so basically OR operator display a record if any of the conditions are true. Okay, and in as we discussed in our last video, that our AND operator will display the record if all the condition is true. Okay, so let's see how our OR operator works. It works similar to the AND operator, but it will display when it will print the values if any one of the condition is true. Okay, so let's understand it by using our SQL Workbench. Okay, so this is our SQL Workbench, and this is the code which we performed in our last video, which is on AND operator. Okay, so let's see what so as you can see here, if here we only have the record which is having both of these values, but instead of this AND operator which I return here, if I apply OR operator, then see what will happen. Okay, so I just remove this AND operator from here and write OR and simply run this code. So as you can see here, when any one of these conditions is true, then it will return that row. Okay, so you can see here the age, whenever the person is having age less than 24, it will return that record, and but you can see here the city name is not Indore. Okay, so as you can see here, first condition is true but second condition is not true, still it will give us an output. Okay, so for these kind of cases we use OR operators. Okay, OR operator will return the value whenever any of the one condition is true. Okay, it will return when both of these conditions were true, or it will return the value when one of these condition is true. Okay, so that's how you can use OR operator in Power BI. Okay, if you didn't watch my last video on AND operator and where clause, which we discussed in this video and our last videos, okay, where clause is very important. Okay, I already make one video on that, so go and check it out, that video also. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.